Hey guys, so another new company that actually just IPO that hasn't really gotten a lot of attention is C3.AI. This company, I actually bought them yesterday at around 90 bucks. Just recently sold today at 120, I think. And you guys already know I like keeping a dollar position at my just to kind of keep looking at it. But I did profit, I think, like 25%, I think. But it was on a smaller play. I think I only put in like 10K on this, so I only made about 2 grand, about two and a half. If C3.AI does fall back to these $90 levels, I am 100% buying in another 10K or possibly 20K into this and selling again at 120. The volatility on C3.AI is going to be pretty huge, especially with companies like PLTR and APXT and all the data companies being super hyped right now. It's going to be extremely volatile, and like I said before, this definitely has a shot at mooning, definitely staying consistent and keep going up, right? But there's also an equally big chance that it'll drop back down to these $90 levels, which I think it will. I'm not 100% sure, but just letting you guys know, if it does drop down back to this, I will probably be buying another big position, maybe like 10K or so, and then just riding the wave up to 120-ish again and then selling again. But yeah, C3.AI, definitely a new company that's not getting enough love. I would only buy into this, like I said, if we go down to these like $90, $95 levels, and that's probably it.